Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about Zuska's disease. This Zuska's disease is also called as recurrent recurrent periductal mastitis. Here there is inflammation around the duct is seen. This Zuska's disease is commonly seen in female smokers, and here you will see presence of recurrent breast abscess can be seen. Here the treatment of this Zuska's disease is you will have to incise the incision and drainage should be done, followed by antibiotics. Thank you for watching.